Hi guys, I'm Jad. Welcome to my vlog. For today, we're gonna cook adobong manok. Our ingredients for today are one piece of onion sliced, 6 cloves of garlic sliced, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of pepper slightly crushed, 2 Knorr cubes, 1 whole Bisayang manok, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 cup of water, 1 cup 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, sugar, and now we're going to cook. Heat oil in pan and stew and garlic and stew the garlic. And then the onions. Then add the chicken to the pan and sear all sides until you have a little browning. Now we're gonna put our water in. Now we're gonna put the vinegar in. Now the soy sauce. Time to put bay leaves. And then more. Time to put everything. Bring to boil over high heat. Then reduce heat to simmer. But do not cover the pan. Continue to simmer for 10 minutes. And now we're gonna remove chicken pieces from the sauce and fry in another pan until nicely browned. Yuppie. Pum, pum, pum.
Kay last piece.